Hey everyone, thought we'd put this video together on who is Marty. We're doing a lot of workshops going into a lot of different territories in this year, and it's been great and exciting, but we're also thinking some of these territories you may not have even heard of me or what I do or what's going on. I'm actually going to start way back in 1996. Because I believe that is how far you need to go back to really talk about my origin story. Back then, my wife was really sick with Crohn's disease, and as a result, I self-taught hand and feet massage reflexology in order to help her sleep. Fast forward to 2002, I had left the dot-com finance world and was really looking for something to do. And this thing of hand and feet massage kind of stuck with me all those years. And so at the suggestion of my wife, I decided to pursue massage training and went to train at the San Francisco School of Massage. Over several years, I assisted and kept taking classes until at the suggestion of one of my mentors, I decided to go into the Rolf Institute and train as a Rolfer. I got training in Colorado and in Brazil, coming out as a certified Rolfer through my training in Brazil. The reason I bring up Brazil is because it really affected how I work, my body mechanics, and just gave me a whole different perspective on how to approach the tissue. From that point, things really seemed to accelerate, and I started to teach a lot domestically, different parts of the country, namely California and Nevada, some Washington State, eventually Florida, and then eventually internationally, Taiwan, Poland, and then Switzerland. As the years went on, I started to add other countries, namely Japan, and I go to Japan often and teach there. I love going out there and working with the folks there. I really felt a need to express my work beyond what it would look like as pure Rolfing, and I decided to branch out back in 2014 and start my own method. Not just my own method of structural integration, but really solidifying how I work the tissue, how I work certain territories with this new way of working tissue that I call the concepts of palpation. So in 2014, we formed the Morales method. From there, we've been teaching all over. We've added a whole other piece to our world, which is online courses. And that has really been great for me to allow me to share what I do right in this very room, on this table, share what I do with so many other people from all over the world. So in a nutshell, who am I? Well, I'm a massage therapist who turned into a Rolfer, who developed his own method, who loves sharing this way of working all over California, and nationally and internationally. So that's professionally. Personally, a little bit about me. I'm into cars, and if anyone wants to talk about the Japanese domestic market and older Japanese cars, then come find me. We can have a lot to talk about. I love coffee and I love to eat. Don't consider myself a foodie, but I love finding new and interesting spots around San Francisco area and the Los Angeles area. So that's me in a nutshell. I hope it gave you a little bit of insight into who I am and what I do. I love sharing. Above everything, I really love sharing what I do. If something works for me, I really get a kick out of sharing it with other people, as many people as possible. And I think that's one of the reasons why I'm here.